lesson today is appropriate for 3rd grade. So today I will be demonstrating an operation where we will be solving a fraction of a whole. We are going to be using colored counters and the area and set model to help us find our solution. So let's look at our problem. Melissa baked 30 cookies for a bake sale. She wanted to keep 2/6 of the cookies for herself. How many cookies will Melissa keep? So Melissa has 30 cookies and she wants to keep 2/6 of the cookies for herself. So what we are going to be finding is what 2/6 of 30 equals. So we're going to start by using our colored counters right here and to help us solve our problem. So our colored counters represent our cookies. So our fraction we're looking at is 2/6 and our whole is 30. So we're finding 2/6 of 30. So I put our color counters in 6 columns and 5 in each column. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each column. So because we know that 5 times 6 equals 30. So we have 30 cookies or colored counters here. So we want to find 2/6 of 30. If we know that we have 6 columns and we want to find 2/6, then we should take 2 of our 6 columns and turn them to yellow, and that will give us what 2/6 of 30 equals. So let's count our yellow cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2/6 of 30 equals 10 cookies. So we know that out of our 6 columns, we turned over 2 of our columns to yellow. 2/6 of 30 equals 10. So now we're going to look at our set model. Our set model is set up kind of similar, and we have our whole is 30. So I'm going to separate our whole into 6 sets. And we have 6 equal sized sets of 5. So we have 6 sets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 5 in each set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each set is equal. There's 5 in each set, and like we said before, we know that 5 times 6 equals 30, so we know that there's 30 in all, but out of the sets, we have 6 sets. So we want to find what 2/6 of 30 equals. So we are going to take 2 of the 6 sets away, and that is going to give us what 2/6 of 30 equals. So if we know, I'm going to label down here 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, because there's 5 each. And some students, a misconception that some students have is they take this and they say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, but that is actually incorrect because there is not 10 right here, there's not 15 right here, there's 5, 5, and 5. And so this confuses people, so we like to keep it like this, where it's 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and we know that 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 30, which can also be written as 5 times 6 equals 30. So if we, back to our sets, we have 6 sets, and we take 2 of the sets out of 6, so we have 5 plus 5, and that equals 10. So we have 10 10 cookies in our 2 sets of 6. So we know that 2/6 of 30 equals 10 cookies. So that's how you solve with the set model. Now we're going to move to our area model. So we have our area model, and we want an area of 30 because we have 30 cookies. So we are going to outline our area. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 6, and we know that 5 times So our whole area is 30. Now we know that we want 2/6 of the 30. So we know that we have 6 columns, so we are going, if we shade in 2 columns, of our 30, we have 2 out of the 6, and we know that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2/6 of the area of 30 equals 10. So our shaded region represents 2/6 of our whole. So if we look back at our problem, Melissa baked 30 cookies for a bake sale. She wanted to keep 2/6 of the cookies for herself. How many cookies will Melissa keep? Well, as we looked at our color counters, our set model, and our area model, we all found out through each of these that Melissa will keep 10 cookies, because 2/6 of 30 equals 10. So that's how you solve our problem.